Una welcome na chapter 13 na we wan read today, and the story we go talk today na Jacob dream. Before Jacob come start to dey travel, dey go im mama side go find wife, Isaac come call Jacob so that he go bless am as he dey go find wife. So he come even bless am more. When he dey bless am so, he come warn am say make he no marry any woman from Canaan o. Say make he go im mama side, im mama brother house, make he go marry for that side. Because say he no like any woman wey dey for this Canaan wey dey stay so. When he come bless am finish, he come say make he dey go, say God go dey with am. When Esau come hear say im papa don bless Jacob even more, and he come hear say he warn am say make he no marry any woman for Canaan when dem dey stay so, na him come vex. He go marry Canaan woman to show him papa pepper. The woman wey he marry so, no be just any Canaan woman o. Na Ishmael, him own pikin. Remember Ishmael now, Abraham pikin wey dey drive comot that time. As Jacob come dey travel, dey go him mama brother side, he come reach one place where they call Loss. For there, he come say he go rest small for the night before he continue in journey tomorrow. Na him he come carry one big stone, come use am take do pillow, sleep for ground. As he dey sleep, he come dream. He come see step wey dey go from ground go reach up. For the bottom of the step, e dey for ground. The top of the stairs, e dey for heaven. Then you come see say God angels come dey waka up and down for the step. And on top of the step, God himself come stand for there. Inside that dream, God come tell am say, na him be the Lord and the God of him papa Abraham. He still also be the God of him papa Isaac. He come tell am say he go give am, and not only pikin wey he go born, he go give am the place where he dey lie down put so. He say all the pikin go be like the dust wey dey for the ground, and they go spread for everywhere for this earth. Then he can also promise am say make he no worry, say he go look after am as he dey go so, and he go also bring am come back to this place. When Jacob come wake up, he come say, hey, God true dey for this place so. Na him fear come catch am. Na him come say this place na really house of God o. He come carry the stone wey he take do pillow. He come use am take set altar for God. Na him come carry oil pour on top of the stone to make am special. He come call the place where he dey so, the place wey they call Loss so, he come call am Bethel. When he finish, Jacob come promise God say, if he true stay with am, if he promise am and protect am and help am throughout all in waka wey dey go so, from now as they go your uncle house so, go find wife, and he give am everything wey he need from now until he go return back to him papa house. Say he go make sure say God na him go be him own God, and when he come back, say this place where he dey so, where he sleep so, he go turn the place to God house, go build house for God for this place where the stone dey so. When he come finish, na he come carry himself dey waka dey go your uncle house, go find wife. Na so the story come dey end o.